everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today I'm making up some good old chicken salad for some sandwiches. That's what we're going to have. You can use whatever chicken you like, whether it be boiled chicken, baked chicken, rotisserie chicken. Better yet, go out and buy you one instead of baking one. They're quick. Today I'm just doing simple classic. I boiled my chicken. That's how I prefer it. But by all means, use what you guys like. Now here, I started on one here, over here, out of the way. Some celery. I have, can you see that? I had 3 ribs of celery. And you're just going to dice this up. You don't want really big pieces. Well, I mean, it just depends on you, you know, what you like. But cut them fairly small. So I'm going to go ahead and get these diced up. And got my chicken cut up. You're going to be needing 3 cups of chicken. Now you can shred it. You can do whatever you like. But I like to just chop mine up fairly well. And sometimes I'll do a little bit of shredding in there also. But I'm going to go ahead and chop this up. And I have, now you can do 1 to 2 medium sized green onions. I'm just going with 1 today, but by all means, if you like a lot of onion, and if you don't have any green onion, maybe some purple onion, or you could do regular onion, whichever you prefer. But I'm going to go ahead and finish chopping this up, and we'll be right back. Alrighty, I got that all chopped up with my 1 green onion. Chop the whole thing up. And there's my celery, my 3 ribs of celery. They're medium size. And we like to eat this on I like the 12 grain bread, but they only had the 7 grain bread. So this is what we're going to be using with our sandwiches. And some lettuce and some tomato. Okay, and I have here some sweet pickle relish. I have 1/4 cup of that. I have 2 boiled eggs, finely chopped. I have 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. We'll just kind of toss this together. Now, if you don't like sweet, you can do some dill. Let me grab my Dijon mustard. Alright, I'm going to do about maybe a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Mix that right into my mayo. And my mayo, I have close to 3/4 of a cup. Just mix that in there. This together, but we'll get it mixed up. Let me get my salt and pepper. Now, salt and pepper will be to your liking. I do about 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Let me get my salt. Probably do about the same. 1/4 teaspoon. You can taste it afterwards. See if you need more. But I'm going to get this mixed up and get it chilled. Now, we know as chicken salad, a lot of us, after it sits, that chicken, you know, it'll absorb a lot of that mayo. So you may need to add more. I've gone to probably close to a cup of it before. if not more. But I'm going to go ahead and stick this in the fridge and let it chill. Alrighty, we're fixing to eat. Only thing I'm missing here is our potato chips. And I let mine sit probably a couple of hours because it just tastes better when you let the celery and the onion do its magic in that bowl. I let it set for a few hours. So there it is, guys. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. And until next time, please hit that like and subscribe button and share. And hit that notification bell, guys. Let you know when I'm going to upload next. You guys enjoy. Stay blessed. Stay healthy. Stay safe. And we will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.